Okay, so hello everyone. Myself Nitin Dakne, and today I am going to present presentation on IoT architectures and sensor. My project title is IoT based smart window and guided by Vikrant Verma sir. So let's begin. So contents for today's presentation was abstract, problem statement, then proposed solution, then physical model of our IoT solution, then IoT levels of my IoT solution, then sensors, actuators and gateways that are used me in my. Generally in this project we are solving the problems of non-technical thing using the IoT solution. In this project my non-tech thing is windows and their curtains, and title assigned as IoT based smart window. Generally, if people living in the home are all outside the home and the LPG gas leakage found in their home, so no one will able to open their home's window. But using my IoT solution, I use the LPG gas leakage LPG gas detector sensor that helps to open the window of their home automatically. Then second, it can also detect the climatic conditions such as rain, daylight, and so on. In this solution, I also use one sensor, rain detector sensor. Using if the rain was found outside the windows of the homes, all windows of the home close automatically. Then third one is it include automatic opening or closing the windows. The user living in the home will able to close or open the window automatically using their mobile phone. Then fourth one is as per darkness automatic opening or closing of windows curtains. In this solution I use one LDR sensor that detects the darkness in the room, and according to that they open curtains of the window. Then last one is use under user manual mode, the user can control the window. The user living in the home that also using mobile, they can also closing or opening the window of this system. And problem statement, building an IoT based smart window operating system. Objectives, opening and closing windows as per room temperature. Second one is if the rain is falling, closing the all windows. Third one is opening and closing the curtains as per room darkness. Fourth one is if the gas is detected in the room, opening the windows. Last one is operating this all system using user mobile phone. Block diagram of the system. In this system I have used the Arduino R3 as a gateway. Then these are some sensors and connectivity. Yeah, first sensor is LDR sensor, light dependent register, that detects the darkness in the room, and according to that send an instruction to open or close the curtains of the window. Then second sensor is MQ6 LPG gas detector sensor that detects the leakage of LPG gas in the home and send the instruction to Arduino to open the window for ventilation. Then third one is raindrop detector sensor. That sensor detects the rain falling and sending the instruction to the Arduino to close the all windows in the home. Then fourth sensor is LM35 temperature sensor. Using that sensor we detect the temperature inside the room and according to that open the window or closing the window for the ventilation purpose. Then last one is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module that I have used in this system for the connectivity purpose. Then connecting this sensor to the Arduino. Then I have used two actuators, servo motor 1 and servo motor 2. The servo motor 1 I have used for the opening or closing the window, and say servo motor 2 I have used for opening or the closing the curtains of the window. Then local storage for the storing the data, and user interface for the operating the system using mobile phone. Okay, so this is the physical model of our IoT solution. So IoT levels. Uh, as my system is a smart window, it is fall into the home automation category, and home automation does not deal with big data. That's why the home automation requires small storage space to store their information. So that's we don't use the cloud, we use the hard disk or some other physical space. So in this system we don't use cloud, that's why our system falls into IoT level 1 category. Now look into the sensor use. First sensor we use, that is LDR. Second one is MQ6 gas sensor. Third one is rain detector sensor. And fourth one is LM35 temperature sensor. So these are the features and the specifications of the sensors and the operating principles of the sensors. These are the actuators and gateways that I use in my IoT solutions of smart window. First one is we use two servo motors in my solution. Uh, these are the features and specification and operating principle of the servo motor. And in the right hand side, the gateway use is Arduino Uno R3. These are some specifications and features of the Arduino Uno R3. Thank you.